Hey there, in today's video, I want to share the coolest volume indicator I've come across on the TradingView platform. If you're a seasoned trader, you're probably aware of how crucial volume is in technical analysis. Some traders even argue that volume is more important than price itself. Now, there are various types of volume indicators out there, but the one I'll be talking about is the basic yet widely used version. You might already be familiar with it. It simply displays the volume for each period using bars. Before we dive into today's content, I want to quickly remind you to give the video a thumbs up and please consider sharing it with your friends. It helps us grow and keeps the knowledge flowing. Thanks a bunch for being a part of our journey, and let's jump right into the video. Many traders, including myself, often complement this volume indicator with a moving average line. This combo provides a more nuanced evaluation of volume, helping you determine if a candle's volume is above or below the average. This basic volume indicator is handy for gauging how bullish the candle is, but it has its limitations. What's missing here is a measure of the strength of each bar relative to the others. It's not enough to know if a bar is above or below the average. We need a way to assess the varying degrees of bullish or bearish strength. Fortunately, there's an indicator that addresses this issue. Let's head over to the indicator section and look for the heat map volume. It's an extra special indicator crafted by this amazing scripter. Thanks to him or her, by the way. Now take a look at this. It appears below the chart, and if you compare it with the basic volume indicator, they seem identical. However, the new one introduces different colors which have meaningful implications, unlike the basic indicator where colors merely match candle colors. These colors represent different levels of traded volume. The calculation is based on the standard deviation from the average volume. In the indicator settings, you'll find the multiplier for standard deviations like 4, 2.5, 1, and even a minimum of 0.5. Each color signifies a special level of volume. Red for extra high, orange for high, yellow for medium, light blue for normal, and dark blue for low. Turning off the colored bars lets you analyze candles without distraction. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy zero fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Now, each color provides insights into the degree of volume. Pay close attention to red, orange, and yellow bars as they signal a significant increase in volume. For instance, during a flat market, an orange bar might indicate a strong move, potentially signaling a breakout. The higher the degree of the volume bar, the more crucial it is. Red bars in particular often precede substantial market movements, indicating heavy participation from institutional traders. By categorizing volume degrees through moving averages and standard deviations, this indicator enhances your ability to evaluate bullish or bearish strength in the market. It's a valuable tool for making more informed trading decisions, especially when you're seeking confirmation through volume analyses. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a FundedNext account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With FundedNext, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with FundedNext. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. And hey, don't forget about risk management. Proper position sizing and leverage are crucial to keeping your trading account healthy. And that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications on my future videos, which I'm uploading daily. Until next time, good luck with your trading.